Listen up. Listen to me when I say this, okay? The moment that these guys get back and they go on tour, we going broke. Listen, it don't matter what I gotta do. I am going to see these niggas live in concert. If I gotta book a one-way ticket trip to South Korea, I don't know how I'm gonna get back, but I'm going. Hopefully they release all of the tour dates at one time and they do have dates here. If not, we going broke. Figuratively. Bro, I cannot wait until I'm able to see them for the first time, bro. When I first became an ARMY, they were like on the end of like touring right before they went into their service. But like today, me as a diehard motherfucker, you know what I'm saying? I'm going. Nothing can stop me except my bank account. We going broke for tickets. But in the meantime, we're gonna get straight into this video, fam. This is hilarious things BTS say. Shout out to Taeza for this video. You've been low-key missing. This is Taeza's comeback, low-key, bro, because this channel has been not posting like that for a minute. But hey, we're here now, and that's all that matters. ARMY, I hope that you're having an amazing day, night, dawn, or dusk. Whenever you're watching this video, you look amazing. You kind of smell. I'm not gonna say you stink. You showering every day still? Just want to make sure. All right, without further ado, man, let's get straight into this video. Are we thinking, is this another performance of Wolfgang? Are we getting another performance of Wolfgang? What the? This shit is cold, man. Good shit. My fault. God damn. Oh my God, I haven't heard Astronaut in a little minute. Somebody take the Sharpie from Lino. What the? Get her out of there. Get her out of there.
진짜 너무 열심히 잘하고 있고 얘들아 너 너무너무 잘하고 있어. 스트레이키즈 잘하고 있다. 최고다. 잘하고
있어. Oh man, this is so beautiful.
사랑해. 스트레이키즈 잘하고 있어.
This is a beautiful moment, bro. It's not real. Okay. All right. Yep. Bro, what? This is how your fish look at you when it be hungry in a tank. These are two different personalities. Two different personalities, bro.
와, 진짜 맛있다.
V, you better put them damn chopsticks down and eat this chicken like you been to a few cookouts, nigga. Put these goddamn chopsticks down and you better eat like I done took you to a cookout, nigga. You can't do this to me. Damn. Okay, well, we get it. Oh my God, the synchronicity. Oh my God, the synchronicity. How do you say that fucking word? He like it, bro. Fix your damn face, man. Damn. I'm not gonna lie, she gonna piss me off. She gonna piss me off. Look, there we go. You heard me, didn't you? You heard me. I'm actually a little disappointed compared to you. Bro, get her up out of here. You ain't gotta come back. You're banned. You're banned from the building. Don't even come on the premises no more. Listen, if anything on Patreon interested you, make sure that you click that first link in the description down below or the bar that ran above my little box just now. And it'll take you straight there. My fault. I don't know why I did it. I'm hyper as hell today. I don't know why. Maybe it's because J-Hope come back next month. I don't know. Hey, let's get straight into the video, man. Let's go. My God, man, I miss my guys. Taeza. Shout out Taeza for this video. Various things BTS say. Let's take a walk down memory lane. What kind of daily efforts do you make for the earth and environment? Oh my God, I remember this. Didn't he say he breathed in carbon or something? I ain't gonna lie, bro. That shit low-key made sense. That shit low-key made sense, bro.
오, 대단한 걸? 정말 지금
Youngie gotta shoot it down, like.
이러면 한국 인구의 5천만 인구의 사람들이 10초의 숨만 참으면 얼마나
Is he not spitting? Is he not cooking right now?
많은 그런 이산화탄소가.
근데 숨을 참으면
Trying to make sense.
장난이에요. 진지하게 생각하지 말았어요.
J-Hope, see, I was with you, and this how I know, like, I've only seen part of this clip because I don't think I saw it when he said that it's a joke. Because I was 100% with this nigga. But that's actually smart, though. If everybody in the U.S. held their breath for 2 seconds, bro, nah, y'all can do. Y'all got strong-ass lungs. Unless you got asthma. Don't do this shit, okay? If we all held our breath for 30 seconds... Nigga, the ozone layer would repair itself. Am I right or wrong? For all my science majors, talk to me now. Am I right or wrong?
자, 그리고 잠깐만요. 아니. 이거 보여줘야 될 것 같은데.
I think we should show this.
기다려봐요. 이 스토마는 장군들이 되게 좋아요. 이게 할 때마다 보이네.
All I see are my nostrils.
당연히 존재해야
Should be there. Without them, you can't breathe and you'll die.
죽어요. 입을 힘내. 그러네.
I didn't say I don't love my nostrils. There's nothing wrong with his nostrils, bro. Some people's nostrils look like a buckshot gun, like a shotgun. You seen some? But listen. It's nothing wrong with your nostrils nor Nam Jones. You know, I don't see anything wrong with you guys' nostrils.
아니 내 잘못 아니잖아요.
아니 진짜 욜로 넘어왔어.
야, 네 머리하고 바지하고 깔.
You think you're awesome because your pants and hair match? God damn!
맞추면 다야?
Got on his ass for what reason? Nah, for real. Nah, for real.
BTS get along.
No.
We are business 관계.
No,
No.
we're so we're just
Yeah. 우리끼리도 사이좋게
Even amongst ourselves, we're social distance.
거리두기, bro.
That's insane.
doing social this.
어디서 뭔가 뽕하는 소리가 들렸다. 저기 방귀 끼고 온 거 아니야?
This has to be when they're in Newark or Chicago, cause that was a gunshot, J-Hope. That was a fucking gunshot.
어디서 뭔가
That was a
뽕하는 소리가
gunshot.
들렸다. 저기 방귀 끼고 온 거 아니야?
Oh, this when JK farted.
방구 힘차지.
전국이 빵구,
전국의 빵구.
부산이 기분 좋아가지고 갑자기 빵구 얘기를
Hold on, what did he say? What did he say?
전국의 빵구.
We came to Busan all happy today. Now we talk about how I farted.
빵구 얘기를
Oh my God, I missed these live streams. All Army fart too. You know what's so crazy? Up until I got into, I think I was in 7th grade, I believed, I'm being so dead ass. I believed that girls did not fart nor go number 2. I believed that it was too disturbing to picture that in my head. Like my crush farting? No, there's no way she could do that. It wasn't until I got past 7th grade is when I realized, y'all got some of the deadliest ones, bro. Y'all got some of the deadliest ones, man.
빵구 다 낍니다. 아미는 안 낍니다.
Army doesn't fart.
안 깁니다.
여러분 빵구 안 껴요.
Wait, you don't fart?
아미 다 연예인 아이가. 빵구만 다 끼는
요즘은 빵구 안 깁니다.
Fairies don't fart. I still don't believe Jim and fart. I still don't believe that shit. I ain't
2, 4,
gonna
6,
lie.
8, 10. 아니면 딱 어깨, 명치,
His chest.
하단 이렇게 가면 되는 거 아니야? 잠시만, 내가 이렇게 했을 거 아니에요?
Oh, yeah, this was for the fencing episode, right?
A few moments later.
저희가 걷어갈게요.
아, 이것도 랜덤인 거야?
Hold on, we're gonna what? What did he say?
A few moments later.
저희가
Oh, we're gonna take that back.
걷어갈게요.
아, 이것도 랜덤인 거야? 아, 나 진짜 좋게 했는데. 약간 양자역학 그런 걸로 딱 했는데.
양자역하게.
I used to hate this shit in school. Y'all remember like filling out, whether it was a study guide or just something, just like a worksheet that you were working on in class, and like the teacher passes it out, and you start to fill it out, and then you get to like question 6 or 10, and as you like breezing along, the teacher comes back around and she's like, you know, as a matter of fact, class, stop working on this. This is not for your class, or this is the wrong worksheet, and you breezing through it. You like, this shit is easy. When I tell you, in that moment right there, nigga, I could have turned into to the Joker. I could have caused wreckage on Gotham. That shit used to piss me off as a little kid, man. I know y'all know what I'm talking about.
나 진짜 좋겠는데 약간 양자역학 그런 걸로 딱 했는데 그 약간 유럽의 법칙적으로 가가지고 딱 한 건데
What the hell?
법칙 아니야?
I thought it was new.
벨기에 수도는 하나 둘 셋.
Capital of Belgium, waffle.
A few moments later.
I really do wonder if Belgium got good waffles for real though. Because honestly, I feel like does Africa got good fried chicken? Like does fried chicken really bust down even harder in Africa? You have sugar on your cheek. That you feel full of tea. Oh yeah, this is on the light crazy vaccines.
이탈리아라고 해도 과언이 아니에요.
자기적인 뭐야?
이탈리아 아니었어요?
이탈리아. 지금 여기 깔려 있는 음식이 PASTA 파스타 and PIZZA 피자. 와우, 정말 맛있겠다.
What the fuck do Jen be saying for real? What do Jen really like? What goes on in this nigga's cranium?
PSTA 파스타 and PIZZA 피자. 와우.
Oh, he had fish.
Oh, fish.
Oh, I don't think I've ever seen this one.
Oh, he had fish.
He had fish.
Oh, fish.
어떤 fish?
What type?
What type? Golden fish.
Is he being dead ass serious?
Golden fish.
Is he being serious?
What type?
Or was this face like a, oh shit, now I gotta really run with this lie for real? Is he being
Golden fish. Is that right?
What was the goldfish's name? Did he say?
Good. You don't.
Did he say? Bro, I wish I had an accent so bad, bro. What's the goldfish's name? What did he say? I'm going to practice a British accent for a year straight. Behind closed doors, obviously. Hopefully, I trick my subconscious so that next year and really for the rest of my life, I only speak in a British accent. Subconsciously, which will lead to conscious thoughts. And then I'll start dreaming in Great Britain. I don't think that's not how it worked, do it?
Golden fish. Is that right?
What was the goldfish's
that right?
name? Did he say?
그 이름은 뭐였어요?
What was the goldfish's name? Number one, number two, number
number one, number two.
This nigga Tay, bro. This nigga Tay.
Number three, you don't look happy today.
This nigga Tay, like, I just made up a whole lot and made the whole room laugh. I'm proud of myself. Goldfish number 1, 2, and 3.
찾았어요? 진짜 찾았지. 진짜 찾았지. 진짜 찾았다고요? 그거 되게 긴데.
Hold on, what? I'm tripping. What happened?
JK는 찾았어요?
Yeah, did you find JK?
진짜 찾았지.
Of course I did.
진짜 찾았지. 진짜 찾았다고요?
Was he running up these stairs at the beginning? Why he had a breath like that?
그거 되게 긴데. 돼요? 바보야?
No.
아, 나 바보
You just
같다.
need You just need
Who is your
glasses.
Hollywood crush?
I know
her
face, but
face.
I don't know
Her name.
What movie? What movie?
I know movie, but I don't know the name. He really had to think about this shit too.
I know movie, but I don't know movie name.
Movie name. JK is iconic.
present would you buy for the bandmate sitting directly to your right?
I wanna get 제요.
Color
changey soup.
What? Tay just got right. He has to always be saying just the first thing that comes to his head. What the? That sounds like a Dr. Seuss book. That sounds like a Dr. Seuss book.
Color changey soup.
Color
change soup? 수? 색깔이 바뀌는 수프?
Yes.
염색약?
뭘 주고 싶은 건데?
뭘 주고 싶은데?
I think V doesn't like J-Hope's hair color.
Damn!
So he wants to dye his hair.
Yeah.
I don't
He
know.
didn't even say that, and I'm just damn.
Doesn't like J-Hope's hair color, so he wants to dye his hair.
Yeah.
I don't know. Okay. That was so sweet.
Okay.
지민아 옥수수야?
Jimmy and Corey.
오 형님
옥수수야?
혹시
I can't.
형한테 진짜 궁금한 게 있는데요.
야, 난 넣기만 했어.
그 혹시 옥수수 원래 넣기 전에 색깔이 궁금해요.
검했어 좀.
It was black before you put it in, Jin. Stop the cap, nigga. Bro, that shit darker than me now.
그 혹시 옥수수 원래 넣기 전에 색깔이 궁금해요. 검했어 좀.
Oh my
원래
god.
넣기 전에 색깔이 궁금해요.
Oh my god. Holy. Oh my god.
아 요즘 이 옥수수가 맛있더라고.
I mean, I heard black corn is really good right now.
제철이야 제철.
검은 옥수수 요새
Y'all gonna be chewing for the next 2 weeks if you eat that shit right now.
잘 팔려. 지옥에서
With the fire pits and bags.
옥수수라고 요새 잘 팔리는 거 있어.
Oh my god, he broke it.
가수를 안 했다면
You also talk about the job you might have had if you were not a member of BTS.
내가 BTS 방탄소년단이 아니었다면
Please don't tell me this is. No, I don't think this is the one where V say what he say. I'm not gonna repeat it because you know what I'm talking about. This isn't the clip, is it? Hopefully it's not.
이 친구들은 무엇을 하고 있을까를 자주 멤버들 간에 얘기를 한다고 해요. 어떻습니까?
아나운서.
아, 그래요?
Announcer.
그 자리를 제가
Ooh, I might have your job. Ooh, Yoongi.
어우,
And
이게
ain't nobody gonna check him either. Ain't nobody gonna check him either.
바뀌는 거 아닌가 모르겠습니다. 아, 순간적으로 위협이 되고
Oh my god, I remember this.
코드일까 이게? 알려주세요. 아시는 분은 댓글로 남겨주시면은
To win a
막 치킨 한 마리 들어갑니다.
fried chicken. He must have knew I was watching. No, I'm playing. Before going on tour, do you have to put name tags on all your clothes so they don't get mixed
On
up?
tour, do you have some put name tags
That's a good
on
question.
or
That's a good
of
question.
your clothes so they don't get mixed up?
Yeah. I put a sticker on my carrier.
It's like giving. It's Namjoon is like, bro, what the? You can tell. Look at Yoongi too. Look at you, like, bro, what the? You can tell that J-Hope just wanted to be included. He just wanted to say something.
Oh, what's another? We have different clothes.
He instantly looks at Namjoon like, that was good, right? Jimmy was like, that's good.
You have different clothes, right?
Yeah.
Oh, yeah, that's it.
Bro. Oh my god, these niggas are so hilarious, bro. Oh my god. Okay, topic raisins and bread, love versus hate.
세상에 참 빵을 먹는 사람이 많습니다.
Breads.
더군다나 가장 대중적으로
Sliced bread is one of the most popular kinds of bread.
알려진 식빵. 그런데 왜
Why?
쓸데없는
What?
컴포터를 쑤셔넣어가지고
Raisin for some reason. I'm not gonna lie, bro. If you eat raisins, you need to be put on trial. Raisins is like oatmeal for ants, nigga. You eat raisins, I would really question our friendship. I would really question our friendship.
먹을 때마다 폭신하게
Soft and pillowy when you bite into it.
하지 마세요. 자, 빵에 컴포터 있는
Sliced bread with raisins.
해산물을 먹는데
It's like having seafood with sand.
맛있어요. 그 돌이 맛있어요.
Sand is delicious. Jen is like, you can't be serious, nigga.
컴포터랑 식빵을 따로 팔면 문제가 돼.
They say raise the bread separate.
식빵이랑 컴포터 따로 사서
And then you can put it in by yourself, right? Oh my god, just looking at this makes me want to just throw my whole channel away, man.
상처받으면 뭐하세요?
Egg versus pea on. Oh, man, that ain't English for sure. Shit, Jenga.
심지어 나는 콩도 싫어한다고. 혹시
Peas are fine. I wouldn't indulge in them, but they're fine.
계란과 완두콩 중에
Eggs for sure, though. I love
뭘 많이
eggs.
먹습니까? 당연히 계란이다.
Hold on, what'd he say?
와 완두콩 중에 세상 사람들이
Which one do people around the world eat more of? Eggs.
뭘 많이
Eggs.
먹습니까? 당연히 계란이다. 그래서 완두콩이 레어템이라는 걸.
So that makes peas a rare item? That's not how that works. It's not rare. It's a regular item.
완두콩 삼행시 해보세요. 완전 두렵다 두각을 나타내는 콩알탄
What the fuck is going on right now? Do a 3-line acrostic poem with peas.
해보세요. 완전 두렵다.
Oh, okay, I get it.
콩알탄. 보세요. 완두콩이 이렇게 재미있는 삼행시가 탄생합니다. 계란으로 이행시하면서 계란.
I love how they're so passionate about these things that really don't matter. They really don't matter, bro.
재밌게 못해요.
But I love the passion. I love the passion. Especially Jin.
닭을 뜻합니다.
It means chicken.
완전 맛있습니다.
Not funny.
완두콩은 삼행시 할때
Have upper hand across the poems. Okay, topic. Wash your face first versus brushing your face first. Y'all out here brushing your face? Oh, how y'all do that? Wash your face. Like with the wash? How you brush? That shit don't hurt.
자고 일어나면 입안에 세균이 어마어마합니다.
Oh, brushing your teeth, man, brushing your teeth. I thought y'all out here brushing your face. I'm like, damn.
주로 많기 때문에 일어나자마자 물도 마시지 말고 양치를 하라는 그런 말이 있습니다. 회사에 출근
That's a little over the top, bro. You shouldn't even drink water.
하거나 학교에 갈 때 안 씻고 가면 뭐라고 합니까 사람들이? 똥내가 난다가지고.
아니 똥내가 뭐예요?
그러니까 세수를 안 해도 괜찮은데 입에서 냄새 나는 거는 참을 수가 없다 이 말입니다.
I'm not gonna lie, they kind of go hand in hand because if you a person like you that slobbers a lot on a pillow and you wake up with the crust on the side of your mouth and stuff like that, you gotta wash your damn face. But me, I don't really wake up with bad breath. You know, it's kind of genetic. It was passed down to me. But I still do brush my teeth every morning. But I would say for you, I think you should definitely wash that face first because that crust, it'd be like a line of lead, like from your mouth all the way to the inside of your ear. You should wash your face first. That's all I'm saying. Okay, mushy cereal versus crunchy cereal. I'm not gonna lie, you may disagree with me on this. Mushy cereal is the best, bro. Listen, for real. Like if it's too crunchy, just like I don't know if you be eating like what is it called? Captain Crunch. If you eat that when it's too crunchy, your mouth might bleed, nigga. Your mouth might bleed. Mushy cereal all day. Mushy cereal all day.
시리얼을 눅눅하게 먹을 시에 시리얼은 죽처럼 변합니다. 그럼 뭐하러 시리얼을 먹습니까? 그냥 죽을 먹지.
Or you just goddamn, can I just like what I like? Why you gotta get on my ass like this shit? Just call me a Berenstain Bear. These are the words cereal.
자음 뭐 들어갑니까?
I don't know. That's a great question.
시옷 들어가죠. 시옷.
그렇죠.
Okay.
바삭에 자음 뭐 들어가요?
Crunchy cereal.
시옷 들어갑니다.
시옷 같이 들어가죠. 그렇네요. 네. 바삭과 시리얼은 한 몸이다.
Either that was just a high IQ statement, or that shit was just completely pointless. I don't know which one.
이게 제가 주장하는 바예요.
RMC는 지금 이상한 발언을 일삼으면서 진실을
With a weird
호도합니다.
opinion. With a weird opinion. Soft peach versus hard peach. It's soft peach. Come on now. That's not a question. What kind of peach we talking about, bro? We not being freaky. All right.
복숭아를 좋아하시는 분들은 아시는 게 납작 복숭아를 진짜 좋아하시거든요. 근데
I mean, flat is what kind of peach are we talking about? The fruit? Let's do the fruit.
딱딱해요.
납작 복숭아 물렁한데?
Flat peach is soft.
납작 복숭아 물렁합니다.
아직도 기억하는 건 멤버들이 몰타 갔을 때 납작 복숭아 먹고 기절을 한 적이 있습니다. 너무 맛있었어요.
기절할 것 같습니다.
You never fainted. You're not telling the truth. They are getting worked up over a peach. That's not even in the room. Jimmy fainted alone is crazy.
딱딱한 복숭아가 갓 싱싱한 거고 물렁한 복숭아가 썩.
That's kind of true. The harder the peach, the more. Well, you don't want it too. When it's ripe, that mean it's just picked, or does that mean it's just ripe? Just right, just ripe. I'm gonna say just right, cause right and ripe rhyme. You don't want it too unripe, and I think that's when it's at its hardest. You want a soft one, V. But what he's saying is making sense. Soft peach is ones that are almost rotten. No, it's not. Stop spreading false narratives.
물렁한 복숭아는 썩기 직전.
How are you saying this is so funny?
원래 복숭아라는 것은 다 싱싱할 때가 딱딱한 것이고 거기에서 좀 썩을
Hobie has checked out. He's over it, bro.
위기까지 처해지면 그 힘듭니다.
의견 있습니다.
근데 지금 썩은 상태를
I'm gonna eat a rotten peach.
한국인들이 가장
Which doctor do Koreans hate visit because they're hold on, huh? Which doctor do Koreans hate to visit because they're scared?
무서운 병원 어디예요? 치과죠?
치과 맞습니다.
치과 왜 가요?
이가 아파서 가죠.
이가 왜 아파요? 딱딱한 복숭아를 먹어서 아픈 거야.
I understood that one. That was a good one, Namjoon.
저희 칠성사이다 광고 속
Tangerine commercial in choosing cider commercial.
청귤 그 다음 뭡니까? 복숭아죠. 복숭아죠. 무슨 복숭아죠?
딱딱한 물렁한 복숭아죠. 그걸 어떻게 알아요? 그걸 어떻게 알아요?
광고 보고 오시죠.
I hate when people try to argue their point on some shit that they don't even know. I hate that. I can't stand when people do that.
우리 딱딱한 복숭아입니다.
The beach commander does so.
시장이니까 트는 거야.
물렁한 것은 이렇게 굴러가거든.
자, 이해했습니다.
Objection.
그건 CG입니다.
That's CGI.
방탄소년단
Such a beautiful scene, the BTS commercial.
아름다운 모습들을 모욕하고 있습니다.
Oh my god, bro. They are so hilarious. Listen, man, that's it for me. It was just, it's always so refreshing seeing all the guys together when we can't see them all together right now, bro. It's always refreshing going back and looking at these memories because I haven't seen all the clips that were in this video. Some of them I haven't even seen. Well, I didn't even see yet. I haven't seen. One or the other. We're not finna argue about this, okay? That's it for me. I love you so much. Be safe out here, please, fam. Like I said, J-Hope come back next month. Uh-oh, yeah. I love you so much. Be safe out here, and I'll see you in the next video, okay? Dozens forever fight. Are we making, is this another performance of Wolfgang? Are we getting another performance of Wolfgang? What the? This shit is cold, man. My fault. God damn. Oh my god, I haven't heard astronaut in a little minute. Somebody take the Sharpie from Lino.
애들 멍멍 청구멍 애들.
What the? Get her out of there. Get her out of there.
키즈 진짜 너무 열심히 잘하고 있고 얘들아 너 너무너무 잘하고 있어. 스트레이키즈 잘하고 있다. 최고다. 잘하고
Oh
있어.
man, this is so beautiful.
사랑해. 스트레이키즈 잘하고 있어.
This is a beautiful moment, bro. This thing is not real. Okay. All right. Yep. Bro, what? This how your fish look at you when it be hungry in a tank. These are two different personalities. Two different personalities, bro.
와, 진짜 맛있다.
V, you better put them damn chopsticks down and eat this chicken like you been to a few cookouts, nigga. Put these goddamn chopsticks down and you better eat like I done took you to a cookout, nigga. You can't do this to me. Damn. Okay, well, we get it. God. Oh my God, the synchronicity. Oh my God, the synchronicity. How do you say that fucking word? He like it, bro. Fix your damn face, man. Damn. I'm not gonna lie, she gonna piss me off. She gonna piss me off. Look, there we go. You heard me, didn't you? You heard me. I'm actually a little disappointed compared to you. Bro, get her up out of here. You ain't gotta come back. You're banned. You're banned from the building. Don't even come on the premises no more.